Today I am going to explain the super salad and its importance and how to prepare. This super salad is very important for chronic kidney disease patients and also the cancer patients, because in this salad enormous fiber is there and enormous nutrient values are there, and also it will fill the belly in a little quantity so that they can control with other cereals and all in especially kidney patients. The precondition is they have to leach these vegetables before using. Leaching is very simple. Night time you dip in the water without putting salt, and morning you have to take out and rinse it in boiling water for a few minutes. So thereafter you can remove this moistures and all. You can put it in the fridge for using as and when required, and while using you can skin out and you can use it. And also you can add it the sprouts, particularly peanuts and green gram and Bengal gram, the chickpea, but it should be in limited quantity by the kidney patient, and also they should have by seeing the potassium. But cancer patients, they can eat as much as quantity, even garnishing with dry fruits. The detailed contents can be seen in the PDF format and you can download it through the description.